JoJo's farm. Thank you all for watching our channels. And thank you all for your comments, contributions, suggestions. We really appreciate you all. Thank you, and God richly bless you. If today is your first time watching this channel, please do us a favor and subscribe to this channel. If you are returning subscriber, we say thank you and welcome back. As you all know, I'm giving you update on the farm. So far so good. From our last video and our previous video as well, we were expecting to expand because we knew that from now till maybe August we're gonna have a lot of piglets. And this morning, surprisingly, we had one of the, how you call it, one of our pigs gave birth to actually 8 piglets, and we lost one. As you can see on the video, we lost one of them, which was very sadly, but you know, what can you do? These things are bound to happen. And actually we were expecting this month, and the time was a little like, you know, miscalculated because we had it like 3 days after our expectation, which is normal. So we got there, and then she has already delivered. And this is one of the how you call it, one of the new mothers that this is her first time. Like you will see, we intended expecting a different one, of course, to deliver this month. This wasn't actually the one that we expected to deliver, but hey, here it is. What can you say? And what can you do? It is what it is, and we thank God. So right now, there should be room for improvement. There should be room for improvement. And it's all about money, guys. It's all about money. That is why it's very important to start little if you cannot afford. Because right now, feed for the pigs in Ghana is also very expensive, sky high. And you know, we have to manage as best as we can to be able to feed them. And we are still counting. Like I said, we are not ready to sell. We are still managing. And you know, sadly, this one had like how you call it, the 8 out of the 8 we have 5 male and 2 females. It was actually 3 females, and we lost one of them. So we are trying to see how we're gonna cope with the 5 how you call it, females. Yeah, but so far so good. There's no issue, no problem, no concern. We have some issues with our pens that needs to be renovated, guys. It has been just 8 months now, 8 months, and you know what? The pens already needs to be renovated. Can you believe that? What can we do? This is what we need to do, and I believe that we had some shoddy works done in the pen, so we have to check it out and update it. And whenever we start those uh, renovations, guys, I will let you all know. But so far, so good. Just an update on new addition. We had another seven piglets, and we are counting. Thank you all for watching. Watch out for the next update. Bye.